What's up, guys? If you're just tuning in, my name is Zeus and welcome to the channel. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you like today's video. Right now I'm outside at 931 Autosports here in Clarksville, Tennessee. If you're in the Clarksville area, you need any bodywork, car paint, vinyl wrap, or any car modification needs, make sure you hit my man Brian up. I'm gonna leave his Instagram link in the description. It finally arrived in the mail. I picked up the Spec D headlights with the LED strip. I went and decided to get the clear ones. I didn't really like the dark ones. I don't think it would go well with the theme of car that I'm going for. So I picked these up and I'm gonna show you guys how to install that today. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do to make life a little bit easier for you is you're gonna wanna jack your car up because you're gonna have to remove the bumper to get to everything. So I went ahead and jacked my car up. I took my wheels off and from there, I'll show you what's next. So once you get your wheels off, you're gonna have to take off all the plastic clips that are in between your wheel well. To drop the bumper, you gotta get up top. You're gonna remove your grill piece. Then you're gonna remove the clips and everything holding it up at the top. Then you're gonna take off all these bolts that go all the way around the bumper panel. On the inside too, on the skid plate. So when you're taking off the bumper, make sure you guys take off the clip that's on the back of the side marker light. I almost forgot. So to remove the headlights, you have one bolt up top. You have one bolt on the side in front, one on side, and then you have one over here. So you're gonna have to remove the 3 bolts from your ballast, take off the clip, and then you're gonna have another clip up top here. You're gonna have to remove. After you take that off, you can slide the whole entire headlight straight out. Alright guys, so it seems like during the recording process, some of my video didn't get captured. So I'm going to try to explain to you guys exactly how to do this. So in the low beam portion on the top where the silver plug is in my left hand, there's going to be a strap and you're going to push that all the way down to the bottom where the ballast is, where my right hand is pointing to. You're going to fish that cable all the way down to that 3rd hole. You're gonna plug it into the bottom of that ballast. Once you got that clipped in, you can screw the ballast in, and you have 2 light bulbs. You're gonna have one in the middle, which is your high beams, which is easy. It's just 2 little silver clamps. You're gonna push down, squeeze, and release the bulb. It's the same thing in reverse. To get the bulb back in, you're gonna push the bulb in, squeeze the pins, push it down, and then release, and then the bulb will be locked in place. And at the top, you're going to have the low beams, which is the same process. You're gonna push the 2 silver clips and release it, and then to get the bulb in, you're gonna put the bulb in, push the 2 clips in and release, and then it'll be locked in. Then from there, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take that silver plug that's in my left hand again, and you're gonna wanna plug it in. All right, so I think from there, we're all caught up, so I'll continue on with the video. After that, you're gonna wanna put this clip on top of this light. This one here, you're gonna plug it in. It's easier if you pull this back, finesse your fingers in, clip on. That's in, you can close this up. Ballast clip, this yellow cable that comes with it, that was on the last one, I'm just gonna stick it here on the edge. From there, you're just gonna clip it on top. Push and twist. There, now your headlight's ready to be installed. Alright guys, so for the install, you just pretty much want to work backwards. The same 3 bolts, and then just the installation of the headlight, the bumper, the underliner, and everything else. But before you get to that, what you want to do is you want to hand tighten all the bolts for the headlight. You just want to make sure that your hood isn't going to fuck with the alignment of anything, so you just want to drop it down and get a quick test fit. to see how everything lines up. The last thing you want to do is to drop your freaking hood after you installed everything and crack your headlights. Now you're out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything installed. I'm gonna show you how everything looks once everything is put together. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 days. I got a little caught up with work, but here's a perfect opportunity, I think, to show you guys the headlights. It doesn't really come out good at nighttime with my camera. The sun's out just enough that I think it'll be able to show really well. So here it is. So there's the headlights. My freaking phone is like automatically adjusting to the brightness, but I think these things look really good. So that's the daytime running lights. And these are the headlights on with the daytime running lights. This is with high beams. No, can't get high beams. These are the turn signals. Yeah, so I think they're pretty cool. I love these things, man. I can't wait to get this new bumper on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Get some days. 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 Come on.